Olga has always been there for us.
We were roommates in Texas right before she moved to New York.
And then we followed.
Lasagna, a dish that's as rich in history as it is in flavor, has been warming homes for generations with 100 million boxes that are produced each year. But how is this beloved Italian-American classic made on a large scale, and what makes Stouffer's lasagna stand out in homes across the country? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes at the Stouffer's factory to show you how they make their famous lasagna from start to finish.
Here in Gaffney, we make prepared meals, we make Stouffers, lean cuisine, and sweet earth products. This facility opened in 1980 as a Stouffer's plant.
Let's dig in. To appreciate how Stouffer's lasagna became a household staple, we journey back to 1924. Abraham and Mahala Stouffer opened a small restaurant in Cleveland, Ohio, offering wholesome home-cooked meals. Their commitment to quality and flavor quickly garnered a loyal following. Recognizing the potential to bring their beloved dishes to more families, Stouffer's ventured into the frozen food market in the 1950s.
It's a moment of gratitude.
So the next question is what we eat.
Stouffer's is a family-style meal.
Stouffer's Foods began as an offshoot of their restaurant chain.
Stouffer Frozen Food started back in 1954, actually out of the back door of our Shaker Square restaurant. And at that time, the restaurant manager, Wally Blankenship, felt that people wanted to take our products home, and we're taking them home, and Mr. Stouffer heard about it, decided that if some of our products were going to be frozen, then we wanted to control the freezing and the quality control. So we started freezing, selling them out the back door of the little 227 Club, and that was the beginning.
They add pureed tomatoes to the pungent mix. Blades stir the ingredients as they simmer in this steam-heated mixer. And in no time, they have a full-bodied tomato sauce.
Among their flagship offerings was the hearty, layered lasagna that would soon become synonymous with convenient, delicious dining. Behind every tray of Stouffer's lasagna is a commitment to quality ingredients. But where do they come from? Let's take a look at how these ingredients are sourced. The tomatoes, which form the base of the rich marinara sauce, are grown in California's sun-drenched fields, hand-picked at the peak of ripeness to ensure the best flavor. While the exact quantity of tomatoes used annually isn't specified, producing millions of lasagna trays undoubtedly requires a substantial volume of tomatoes each year. Stouffer's also ensures that their beef is responsibly sourced from trusted suppliers. The beef comes from farms in the Midwest, where cattle are raised using sustainable and ethical practices. These farms prioritize the health of the animals and the environment, ensuring the highest quality meat for every lasagna. And when it comes to cheese, they use a blend of mozzarella and ricotta, sourced from local dairies primarily located in Wisconsin, known for its rich dairy heritage. The mozzarella is soft, melty, and perfectly complements the layers of pasta and sauce. All these ingredients are chosen for their flavor, texture, and consistency, ensuring that each bite of Stouffer's lasagna is as delicious as the last.
And our sauce is made with tomatoes that are picked right off the vine. We use herbs just like you would use at home, dry basil and dry oregano.
They package 75 lasagnas per minute on this line, and then it's back in the freezer to await shipping.
Mozzarella cheese that is ground or shredded, grated Parmesan. Not only are we making the pasta fresh, we're making the sauce fresh.
Now, let's take you inside the Stouffer's factory to see how the magic happens. While specific figures for the number of employees dedicated solely to lasagna production are not publicly disclosed, it's evident that a significant portion of the workforce contributes to this flagship product. It all starts with the pasta sheets. Thousands of layers of perfectly thin pasta, are made from flour, water, and eggs, pressed and rolled into long sheets that will later be the base of the lasagna. Once the pasta sheets are prepared, it's time to layer the lasagna. The first step is spreading a thin layer of Stouffer's signature marinara sauce across a tray, followed by a generous portion of mozzarella and ricotta cheese. Next, a sheet of pasta is laid down. Then the cycle repeats, sauce, cheese, pasta, over and over until the lasagna reaches the perfect height. Each tray is meticulously layered, with the sauce soaking into the pasta to create that mouth-watering texture. And then comes the beef. Whether it's the classic beef lasagna or a variety with other ingredients, the meat is simmered with herbs and spices, then layered onto the pasta, giving the lasagna its hearty, savory flavor. Once all the layers are complete, the lasagna trays are ready to be baked. The trays are placed in industrial ovens, where they cook at precise temperatures to ensure even cooking and that perfect golden brown top. After baking, the lasagnas are quickly cooled, sealed, and packaged for delivery to stores across the nation. From there, they're sent out to homes, where they're ready to be heated, served, and enjoyed. Each tray of Stouffer's lasagna undergoes rigorous quality control to ensure that it meets the brand's high standards. From visual inspection to taste testing, the team checks every batch to make sure it's just as delicious as the last. Whether you're serving a family dinner or enjoying a solo meal, you can trust that Stouffer's lasagna will always deliver the same hearty, comforting flavor thanks to the dedication and care that goes into every step of the process. The company's main production facility is located in Newark, Ohio, where it operates one of the largest frozen food plants in the country. Around 2015 to 2016, Nestlé, the parent company of Stouffer's, reduced the number of components in Stouffer's lasagna from 19 to 15, removing items like autolyzed yeast extract and carrageenan. This effort was part of a broader initiative to remove artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives from its products in response to consumer demand for cleaner labels. From here, millions of lasagna trays are distributed nationwide, making their way into homes, bringing people together around the dinner table.
Food manufacturing has made many improvements in technology, which led to a lot of automation.
They load the sliced and diced veggies into the next steam-heated mixer. The blades swing into action to stir the ingredients as they brown in oil.
From humble beginnings to a frozen food aisle staple, Stouffer's lasagna has become a symbol of convenience and quality. It's a dish that has brought families together for decades, and now you've seen exactly how it's made. Its love even goes as far as space. Stouffer's lasagna has been a preferred meal option for astronauts during space missions, highlighting its comforting and familiar taste even in outer space. So, the next time you open a tray of Stouffer's lasagna, you'll know exactly how much love and care goes into every bite. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting factory tours.